I know a lot of you guys are getting ready for the Super Bowl tonight. Go Eagles! Sorry. But I wanted to quickly tell you guys about a free YouTube video masterclass that I did in partnership with the YouTube Creator Academy. It's all about how to make money on YouTube, how to grow a business around your channel, and how to monetize your content, even if you're one of those small creators who isn't eligible for YouTube's partner program updates and everything. Like there's still plenty of ways you guys can make your channel financially sustainable and actually even serve better value to your audience while doing it. So it's a quick overview of the process that I teach and the process I use and have trained many other creators on. It's completely free. It's just 4 videos on their channel that I did. So there's a link in the description below that you can go check out and watch that series of 4 videos, or there'll be an interactive card around here that you can click on and go check it out there too. But I just want to hear from you guys about how you're thinking about making money on YouTube and the process that you're going through to make your channel financially sustainable. Even if you're not part of the YouTube Partner Program, totally fine. You can still do this. I want to hear what you guys are thinking down below. And go check out that content. I think this would be awesome for you. The YouTube Creator Academy, and I worked hard to make this for you guys, so we're really excited to share it. So go check it out. Link below, interactive card and screen around here somewhere. You can click around and go check it out. Thanks, guys. Have a great Super Bowl Sunday if you're in the US. Bye.